Hey guys, it's Jess here, and today we'll be showing you how to do a graduation hat. You'll need the following items: some glue sticks, glue guns, scissors, stickers for your hat, a background for your hat, and some letters for your hat to put on the background. First, you will take the background of your hat and flip it over to the white side so you're able to write on it. Then you'll put your hat on top and line it up with the paper, so once you're done with that, you could trace it with your pencil and you'll be able to cut exactly the right size for your hat. Once you're done tracing, you could take the scissors and use them to cut where you had traced the lines. Make sure when you're starting to cut the background that you cut it very carefully because you don't want to mess it up where the paper may be too big or too small for the hat.
Coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for.
Once you finish cutting, flip it over and try to see if it matches the line of the hat. It's okay if the edges are a little off, a little bigger, because you could always cut it once you're done gluing. Now when doing the center, make sure that where the tassel goes, it's okay that it'll pop up because you'll need that for when you graduate, where you have to turn your tassel to the right. So just double check, and once you figure out where the center of the hat is, you could use your tool and a pencil to trace over where the middle is, and then use the tool to cut it out so your tassel could fit. And there you go, it's sticking out. Just take the tassel and double check that it fits. If it fits, you're good. If it doesn't fit, try to cut the hole bigger. And there you go, it fits. Once you have the tassel on, now it's time for you to glue each corner. Make sure you have another person that can help you, or they could press down on the other side while you glue the other corner. you go, they're all glued. Now it's the fun part where you get to decorate your hat with the stickers that you choose and the quote that you choose to do. I was going to use all capital letters, but they all didn't fit on the hat, so I had to use the capital letter in each word in the first letter and then the rest lowercase letters so they all could fit. So make sure you have the correct size of everything that's going to be going on your hat so this doesn't happen to you.
Coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be together, you're the one I'm looking for. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. We could be
And here are the final touches of the hat that I am going to be making, which is a heart, a diploma, and a graduation cap. This is how it all came out. We hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. Follow our Instagrams and our main accounts. Thank you.